Most roof leaks can easily be traced to the source, but sometimes those leaks go into stealth mode. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Just ahead, mysterious leaks at brick chimneys and a surefire solution right after this. Could your backyard use a makeover? You can create beautiful outdoor living spaces with Rumblestone from Pavestone. Create a paver patio or walkway, garden retaining wall, grill enclosure, fire pit, or even an outdoor kitchen. These rustic building blocks make it easy and they look great. Rumblestone from Pavestone is available at the Home Depot. And be sure to check out the project ideas and how-to videos at pavestone.com. That's pavestone.com. Chimney leaks are actually very common, and in most cases, touching up the sealant around the flashing is all that's needed. But if the leak persists no matter what, it may simply be water migrating through the masonry surface. Both the bricks and mortar are very porous. Plus, as the mortar absorbs the water, it expands. This is why you'll often see cracking along mortar lines. A good quality masonry sealer is the solution. It can be applied to the surface using a garden pump-up sprayer. The sealant keeps water from soaking into the pores, which effectively stops the leak. It also protects the surface against dirt and stains and even prevents that chalky white residue called efflorescence you see on some brick surfaces. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.